We can't wait to introduce you to our teddy bears. Snowy is one of my oldest friends. Eriglin.
Fluffy, what is a teddy bear?
Teddy bear. I've no idea.
Meet Snowy and Bruno.
Aren't bears dangerous?
Not at all. Big wild bears might be, but teddies are small and snuggly and make brilliant friends.
So, a teddy is a small bear? Bearing.
Mir, I don't think the fairies have ever seen a teddy before.
Maybe they don't have teddy bears on Fairy Island.
Deal it, Snowy. Deal it, Bruno.
Go on.
Why didn't the Bearini say DSR us back?
Maybe they're shy. Don't worry. They'll liven up soon.
Now, would you like tea, Kuan?
Let the hull.
Would you like tea, Snowy?
She's still not speaking. These teddy bearini must be very shy.
Are you hungry, Bruno?
Careful of the brisky, Kuan.
Don't worry. Now, who wants an apple? Erwalat Ulfia?
Let a hole.
Erwalat ul, Bruno? Fia! Why won't Snowy and Bruno talk to us? It's not very nice.
How are they your best friends when they're not even friendly?
Of course. All the animals on Fairy Island can talk, so the fairies have no idea.
That teddies can't speak.
What? They don't speak at all?
Berini are better at listening. If you're upset, a Berine will make you feel much better. Right, Fia?
They're the best huggers around.
Oh, I see. Oh, we understand now, Bearini. No need to chat. Just enjoy some lovely brisky. Oh, no. The Ula must have broken them.